If you're over 35 and you're concerned about losing weight because you don't want to have saggy skin, look older, you're not wrong. I understand why you might feel that way.
Most weight loss plans and diets and methods come with pills, injections, and they make you look tired, saggy, and you have to get work done after, usually. But our plan makes you look natural, beautiful, and we prevent the wrinkles and saggy skin and help you get strong and healthy and have more energy and have that vital look to your skin.
In fact, a fashion designer that I know who's a neighbor mentioned to me that all of her celebrity clients are taking Ozempic and all their fillers and plastic surgery are now popping out of their faces and they all have to get plastic surgery done. She's like, I don't even recognize my clientele anymore. They look like a completely different people.
And without me saying names of famous people, you could probably think of 3 people at the top of your head who have decided to remove implants since Ozempic came out recently. I'll let you think about those people on your own terms.
We've lost over 250 pounds combined with no loose skin, no Ozempic, no plastic surgery, 100% all natural. And we're here to tell you how you can do it.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
The first thing that Mom and I love to do, and we also teach this in our program, is how to cook with collagen and cook foods that are collagen boosting, which I didn't even know was a thing until you taught me.
We analyzed why is it that we have no loose skin? And when we started to dissect it and really look into it, we're like, oh, we're actually cooking foods that increase collagen production. And we teach the women in our program how to do this too. And in fact, we have a woman who's just crossed the threshold of 100-pound weight loss and she has no loose skin.
That's incredible. I'm just like, wow.
In order to stimulate your own collagen production in your kitchen, you can concentrate on amino acids, foods that are rich in vitamin C, and gut healing foods. The second piece that you can take with you in this video is that having muscle mass is your lifeline. It's really important that you don't starve yourself and that you eat foods that can help you to build muscle that will sustain you as you age gracefully. It'll help you to reverse disease. It'll help boost your metabolic rate, of course, help you lose fat. But more importantly, it actually changes your skin in that it tightens it and lifts it up. It is so magical. Muscle is your lifeline. And what I mean by that is that your muscles, like when you build them, they literally tell your skin to stay tight. And we're seeing it with ourselves and we're seeing it with the members in our group. When you starve yourself, you also reduce your muscle mass. And that's why people on these weight loss medications are losing a lot of muscle mass and why they're having problems with sagging skin. And so it's really important to preserve your muscle mass and also to build muscle. And that's by nourishing your body with healthy whole foods, getting in the gym strategically every day, not overdoing cardio. So there's some common pitfalls that we've made on our weight loss journey of over 260 pounds combined that we want you to avoid, like overdoing cardio or not knowing which exercises to do to help to build and maintain muscle mass.
Number 3 is healing the gut. And on my weight loss journey of losing 160 pounds with no loose skin, I had to heal my gut to have better skin elasticity, better skin health, better overall health. And I am positive that the foods you eat impact the loose skin.
Well, I mean, there is a correlation that your gut health is directly linked to your skin health. And part of our program is eating a low inflammatory diet. And when you have less inflammation in your body, your skin is going to be more beautiful. You're going to get that glow. And it really starts from the inside out. I always think about the inner lining of your gut microbiome, your large intestine, as a reflection of your outer skin.
Number 4 is oil massage does help. Now, a lot of people like to use the creams that say no loose skin or no sagging skin, and that stuff, like you mentioned in a previous video, usually has a chemical in it that's not good for your skin.
Many chemicals.
So we have used on our journey oil and jojoba oil, olive oil, coconut oil, any oil that you can get access to. I also used to fall for that scam of buying the kind of expensive cream. The truth is, and if you are falling into this category, I have a feeling you may be because I used to do the same thing. I thought that the cream would fix my eating issues. I thought the cream or the pill would make the fat go away or make the skin go away. And the truth is, it's our minds, it's our hearts, it's our bodies, it's our intention. And if our intention is pure and we have a real why, diet, that is going to get you way farther than the pill or the cream. Because honestly, if you eat a burger right after you put the cream on, or you overeat something, it's not going to compensate for it.
No, it's the daily inputs that really make the big difference and how you get your glow on. And Penelope, when you eat what you used to eat like 4 burgers and a thing of fries and maybe a milkshake, and it's like you put yourself into a coma. It's like the ultimate numb out. Some people use drugs,
yeah,
and other people use food like a drug, because you really do put yourself in a coma, and then you get stuck in the blame and shame cycle. And I don't want to go too far into that, but I know if you're listening to this video, chances are we've come across your algorithm because you're ready to make a change and you're starting to think about, and maybe you actually know a lot about health, but getting out of that blame shame cycle is really, really important. And those daily inputs about sleep hygiene and eating healthy, delicious foods, by the way, because we love to eat, the daily inputs of like positive thinking, confidence building, trust building with yourself, following through, doing the things you know that you need to do, and stop doing the things that really aren't serving you. That's part of the magic. And our accountability group is really designed for that kind of support. Real people, real food, real talk. So if you feel like you're ready, definitely click the link in the description, because we want to know you and see if you're really ready to make that investment. And not only money, more importantly, time. And like Penelope said, realigning with your why so that you can become this best version of yourself.
If you would like to join our women's accountability group, click the link in the description below. We only accept ready and awesome women, so if you're one of those, definitely join. If you want to support our mission in making America beautiful and healthy and fit again, then please subscribe to our Substack. It really supports us and helps us keep these videos going and this channel going. In our Substack, you'll get exclusive behind the scenes of Mom and I making recipes and all of the delicious things we talk about in all of these awesome videos that we love making for you guys. Don't forget to follow us on X, TikTok, and Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, and we will see you all the time.